Can the devil show up? If it does, is it real? Do the angels fall? Is there more to the I don't know, I don't know, oh I don't know, oh I don't know, I don't know, no I don't know.
I don't think that I can figure out where my mind is trying to go no more. No, 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 no. I can't figure out if I could make it out this box I like to clothe me with. Someone get me out my head before it explode. I hate family pictures, family portraits, sad to look on. Dad keep trying to look strong. My smile look broke on. I be looking off to Jupiter like Saturn, gonna give an answer to this pattern that I walk in. Rancid smells keep leaking out my memory box. Someone get it close, someone get it close. When I find good things, they eventually rot. Someone say my soul, yeah, someone say my soul. Must be the colors and the kids, cause the music isn't shit. And all I see my mama screaming that I look like him. Must be the colors and the kids, cause the music isn't shit. And all I see my mama screaming that I look like him.
Just dry it with a stringer.
I wash away like the rich do poverty stains. My bloodline out of harmony, I'm hardly the same. Little kitty used to walk around.
Where the fuck you put in?
My bloodline full of bad
Eh?
It's all not
There's two shots?
Wish you wishes bad memories. I throw them off.
Look how the string long for them sitting. This one longer string? This one longer string?
I call my dad, he's so proud. But his son is like him.
Don't mind that man, there's something with it, okay?
I thought it's louder than doubt. I thought it's louder than shouts that's flowing out of your mouth. I wanna shove him back in and say I'm nothing like him. But you ain't looked at his face. I swear to God we the same. I got his blood in my veins. I got his love in my brain. I got his face in my face. I got his
oh, so me wait up. With my wallet in my pocket. Oh, it's that. Don't be boy. Oh, be careful with the bird either. So guys, them people are going left. I may stand up there the wide and wash out now.
I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. No, I don't know. Can the devil show it? If it does, is it real? Are the angels falling?
Still high. Show me everything in my pocket, you know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Man, sit in my pocket now and drop out. Sit in my pocket.
Devil show. If it does, is it real? Do the angels fall? Is there more to the I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel people. Today we're up on a different setting people, you see me? We're up on the Navy Island right now guys. We just reached over. It's currently maybe like minutes past 5 going to 6 right now guys, so it's kind of late. As you guys can see, the sun already starts setting. You see me? So right now we're there, we just reached, as me say. We're going to see if we can sort out some food and set up a tent them guys, because I don't know what time is going. You see me? We're there, we're trying to see if we can catch that nice sunset afterwards. and then you know, eat some food and relax, guys. So it's gonna be a camping. We're gonna be leaving tomorrow, so if y'all just stick and stay and keep on watching and enjoy this video, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, people, you see me? So let's just go out there now and just do what we can. So this is our camping ground, you see me? Alright, yeah, so yeah. Alright, see the people reach the spot and now we're probably go set up tent. Set tent here so tonight. So right now, first thing to do right now is get some firewood, catch up a fire and start cook some food. As in, I cook some rice, some white rice and some curry chicken. Some pumpkin rice and some curry chicken, you see me? So I get the fire stick them now and catch up a fire. Alright, people say they don't know, I get some firewood now, catch up a fire and start some cooking, you see me? So I put on the rice first and I'll clean up the meat. And then, you know, start cooking. Catch up a fire now. Start something out there. A reason, whatever I call. You see there, fire gone now. Alright guys, so I don't know we're on the naval and as I say, we're doing some camping right now, people. Just get the fire catch up, so I don't know we're going to cut up some pumpkin and we're going to put on a pot with some rice. As in, we're going to cook some pumpkin rice and some curry chicken. But right now, you see the fire ablaze. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get the tent set up. I get the tent set up now because it kind of get dark in there. So I don't know, we're going to get the tent set up while the other guys are put up the pumpkin and stuff, isn't it? So let's get that done.
This is my clean out pumpkin. You want to have a cut out?
Alright, so I put in the pumpkin now and I pack the rice to go and cook. So we can put in the rice. Peeps, so see there, it tent set up now. Yeah. Then we tent set now. Pot the on fire, pumpkin in a pot, so make that go and boil, throw in the rice after. So I get the meat clean up now. Alright peeps, so I don't know, we have a chicken here, so we're going to clean up right now, isn't me? Right now, night have come, people, so we have to make everything snappy. So we have some of the seawater. You know, we are clean up, just clean up the meat, and then we are gonna wash it off back with some fresh water because we have limited amount of water right now. You see me? So I get the chicken clean up now, and then we are gonna season it up right out here. So, and while the pumpkin are cook, by the time we finish this, the pumpkin is supposed to cook, and we can just put it in the rice. You see me, guys? So, hope y'all just keep on watching and stick and see if you see what I go on. Night I go catch we are cook still, but I don't know. Look at the night, we might go try get some fish steam, you see me? So I could just do what we have to do now. Alright people, I don't know, I'm gonna wash off the chicken now with some fresh water. The pumpkin them a boil now. I don't know, the meat clean up already, so I get the meat seasoned up now. Pumpkin a boil, so we put in rice and that. So I get the season them cut up now, put in the meat. Alright guys, so I cut up the seasoning them now on the meat. Don't forget it's out, put on the fire. Peeps, see curry. You know, I make the rice cook first, and then you know I put on the curry after. So this is how the curry look. Alright guys, so you don't know if fire blaze up. Yeah, so oh, as me say, we make the rice go and cook, and then when the rice cook, you know, we are going to drop on the curry pot. But for now, we are going to fix up some little stuff and things, make the rice go and cook, and you know, a little more we see if we will catch some fish. Then if we can't catch it in the morning, you know, we are going to hop in the water with the spear gun, you see me? But we are cook some food right now, you see me guys, so keep on watching. Alright peeps, let's give a check on the rice now. Alright, your pumpkin rice look good. The man guys, the fire kind of high, you know, but we kind of cut it down back. Yeah man, rice soft and nice, you know. Make it a little more time for steam and you're ready. Alright peeps, so I don't know what they have on the island. Alright, rice, see there? Rice done steam, you know. If you don't know what time you put on the curry, you know. See there? Show the rice all go on there, put the rice done. Time for the curry go on the fire, you see me? So, then we catch up at the fire and drop on the curry. Is the fire ready now? Alright peeps, you say fire ready, you know. You can see what go on now. Put in some oil now. Oil are going in the pot now, you know guys. Don't put too much. Go on. Go on. Aye. straighten up the pattern now. So you see that we have one pepper in our pot. Yeah man, let that go and burn with the curry. Guys, I put in the curry now, put in the curry chicken in now. Yeah. Yeah. Man, go and put in the fire stick them man. Blaze up the fire and everything, you know? Hurry up and done. Is that no one blaze again, bad man? Alright peeps, you don't know we are waiting for the curry chicken now to finish, so we can eat some food. It's minutes to eat right now. Over there on the island and cook some food same way. Soon finish still. Get some food to eat, you see it? So just go and watch it pray. I dance, yeah. Yeah man, don't know what time. Share out some food, you know. 1 kilo of rice.
Rice with days.
Rice with days.
We live in lads. We live in like kings.
Yeah, they were bush.
Paper bush. Enjay alone over here.
You want more?
No, alright, good man.
Not good?
And you know the bed comfortable, especially in night. Go on there comfortable, you know.
So make you one have so big Enjay.
One of the big man. I'm cooking.
More.
Listen to me now. The more you want, you go back in the pot.
More.
Lock up the pot, yeah? Because we don't know what out there in the bush, you know.
Go take up the pot. Grab up the pot and run. You can't take you up and run, that grab me.
Man.
Hot Raymond.
Hot. Hot.
Guys, watch out now. Watch out now, people. There. Just lift up. That just get up off of insurance and all that. Send him come. Sure, you guess one first. Guys, you have a special guest, you know. The best camera. So guys.
Yeah, man.
You might that. Wait for me. You think you can go until me. Come down and go lower with the camera there. So I'll go on my pot. I'm going to put some big fire in this, you know.
Big fire, big stone.
Fire.
You know what?
Fire.
You ever put big fire in the fire?
Big stick. With the paper, food them done share now. So I left the pot there. One food there, the next one. You see me? So the food them done you now. So I don't know time for digging, you see me? So I could do that. The food up people. Don't know time for digging. Wow. Look at that people. Nice food over on the Navy Island, you know. Meat ago. There. Hey, food bad. I don't that drink. I don't run the back of the island now. Go show some line. We have some shrimp in the bag. So we can catch guys. So place kinda dark without much light. So you guys are gonna just see like mostly when we catch a fish or stuff. So hopefully we catch something. So we can bring back for breakfast tomorrow people. So we can just see we can head around here now. Gotta catch some fish. Oh. Hopefully we catch some fish today, people. As we are tonight, I should say. Yeah, man. People, right now, let's see where we can go on with the evening. Now. We are head on the rocks, then I go to the edge. Let's see if we can throw two line and catch something with some parrot or some snapper to eat tomorrow. So let's see what we can go on through today. Alright peeps, so you don't know the here. Nothing go on guys. I just see me have my line in here, so nothing go on. So guys, what I might have to do is maybe the sea rough right now. So I think we have to just check back tomorrow and see if we can catch a few fish, isn't it? But other from that, I have my spear gun and my fin. So what I might do is tomorrow we might come back, throw some line. If we don't get any line, we just take my spear gun and just hop into the sea. Or most can get something, isn't it? So guys, but just I head back to the tent now and see if we can get some rest for tomorrow. Okay, you know tomorrow I have a big day ahead. We have to try to get some fish, some food, because we don't have no more chicken or anything like that. So we'll have to get some fish tomorrow where we can fry up with some bread and stuff like that, isn't it? So yeah, we just have to just head back to the tent them now guys. So just catch you guys when we reach the tent, isn't it? So let's go. Guys, we are left. See if we can find a way back round to the kayak guys, so we can head back to the tent them. Guys, walking on these stones in the night, trust me, you don't want to drop on these rocks. Look at that. Them rocks are. Alright guys, so we just make up a fire outside. Keep going burn. So guys, I don't know. I get some rest on outside in the morning before you guys catch your back, isn't it? So see you guys early in the morning. So yeah, we're gonna sleep now. Alright, good morning people. Guys, me just wake up people. I don't know. Today it's a beautiful morning, to be honest. It's me, the sun about to come up, so I don't know if I catch that. We get some breakfast, but right now we don't have anything but bread. Is me? So what's the plan? We have to try see if we can get some fish. So if I have my spear gun, so I don't know, maybe next half hour go out on the reef. I can see if we can spear 2 fish and come back and fry them with the fish, with the bread I should say. Is me? And that's gonna be breakfast this morning, is me guys? So yeah. Guys, trust me, last night we went line fishing, but it wasn't so successful because the sea really rough, is me? So we end up come back and just go sleep and say alright, this morning we'll give it a try, is me? So that is the pre for this morning. Let's see what can go on. Just gonna wait for the sun to rise and then we head out and see what we can go on with. Come on, so stay tuned.
It's all over the way. All the little pieces scattered around, and you can put them in place, or you could be free.
Can't I just die here on the beach with my fingers in the sand and the water at my feet? Can I just get some release? Yeah, everybody falls off the tip of their tall talk. Don't come and talk to me. I ain't trying to see fear reflections in my rear view. Neglectors in my purview, coming after me. Got some issues with my worldview, I iron out the kinks. I ain't trying to be king, crowns ain't the way to bring love. Soft touch, hard hands lead to backwards endeavors. These mans really think they worth can be summed up in a measure. Singing, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. I get it, you gotta hold your up to a measure. Did that, been there, done now. Out and on the run now, but you just can't get away. Driving in the dead night, cutting highway signs by headlight, cranking up the Mac to Marco and treating it like medicine. On the coast out in Gualala, running from my problems, staring at the water like an answer, living on it. I ain't living honest, honestly the way I've been acting up. Problem, need to clean up my act ASAP, but the water looking rocky. That last round cheesy, but you cheesing while I'm talking. As long as you be smiling, I'll be fine with all my awkward, yeah. You if you isn't, I got this view here by the ocean, you just got your petty.
It's all over the waves. All the little pieces scattered around you. And you can put them in place, or you could be free.
Wrote this in the kitchen of my mom's new house. This is me in best edition, but there's better coming out. I came out when I was 18 and my mom kicked me out. Now I'm sitting in the kitchen in a brand new house. Man, it's funny how it all pan out. Almost like the man upstairs got it all planned out. And I don't know if I believe that, but I know right now this is my moment, I'ma seize it, it won't all fall down. Letting go of the dark days I spend in my sneakers. Yeah, you can take them, try them all if you want. Been a hard thing to find something that I could believe in, but with that water looking back, I think I got it. Life is not a problem what you make a life, so solve it. If you don't open doors, they bound to keep revolving, so bust through. Holla everything they say, trust you. That's the way you make it to the places you want to. If I died right now, I'd be at peace. Fingers digging in the sand, water sitting at my feet. If I'ma end here at the beach, think that'd be fine with me. Drive the coastline till there's no more sea to see. Pedal heavy on the gas, drive away until I pass my past and all of that left behind the glass. And whether it be full or empty, that's a choice. I put my ear out to the ocean like the answer in his voice.
It's all over the waves. All the little pieces scattered around. You can put them in place, and you could be free. You could be.
Crab balls. Alright peeps, I don't know where I go touch on the water now, see if we can spear some fish. This is my setup right now. Spear gun, fin. I'm gonna use this to do some free diving. Yeah, toothpaste funny. Goggles and stuff. So I don't know where I go hop out this now and see if we can spear some fish.
I don't know the water. Yeah, so we managed to get 2 fish. So we're gonna fry them there. Have some shrimp. We're gonna go curry also. You see me? We're gonna curry it with some coconut milk. I didn't have any ice to put them on yesterday, so they kind of like stir fry them so keep them for this morning. So guys, what we're gonna do? Reach back on the island. I don't know. We're gonna cook them up, and we're gonna fry the fish, and we're gonna eat some bread. Alright peeps, so I don't know who reach back on land now. I don't know. So guys, as I'm saying, we have some shrimp, we have 2 little fish. 2 little fish. You see me, I fry them up same way, and we're gonna make some garlic butter shrimp, you see me guys. So I don't know, we have a coconut milk, we're gonna use that, some butter, some garlic, you know, scale and thyme and everything like that. Season up, and yeah, we eat that with some bread, you see me guys. So I get the fire started now, and we're also gonna make some tea. So I get the fire started now and get all of that done. So I could just move towards that. People say, I don't know, I cut up some stick now to make the fire now. So I get the fire start. And I go, you know, I put on the pot for deal with the shrimp them. And I go sort out the fish them. You see me? So I can get that done now. Alright guys, so see the shrimps in here. You don't know we have them here. I fried them up from last night guys, because as I'm saying, they have ice if you put them on. You see me, so I fried them up so them don't spoil. So we just put on the pot on the fire now. And then we're going to pour in some oil and then put in the butter. And then we're going to drop in the shrimp and some garlic and stuff like that. So let's get that done right now. Peeps, breakfast, yeah, then shrimp and some crackers. So guys, I cover this and give it about a minute or 2, and then we're gonna take it off, and then I put on the fish, you see me? So watch it pray now. Alright people, so then everything finished now. So I take off the pot now. Set it aside this, so next pot I go on, you know, you see me? With the fish them. See fish them, my people. 2 fish we get. You see me? So don't know that I have to go work. If people see that, this is a shell right now, you see me? Some nice, you know, shrimp, crackers and bread. Bread of people. So I go on now.
Alright peeps, so I don't know, just finished eat breakfast and just feel like yo, just wanna relax right now, isn't me? It's currently like minutes to 12. We're gonna leave about 1 p.m. so you see me, so I'm just here go, just relax a little and just easy back and then you know we're gonna head home after. You see me? But trust me, it was a vibe, but next time we might bring more company, isn't me? Make it more excited, but with the two of us, it was a good vibe, isn't it? We go out there and we only 2 fish we managed to get. We never really come say, oh, I really fish where I come shoot. Isn't it? It's just a camping vibe, see me, but we still have to bring the spear gun, see me. If we go test out the water, see me. Isn't it? But apart from that, it's successful, isn't it? We want to catch some fish, see me, but yeah, you know, we're gone every day. Yeah, I get fish, so just have to take a break right now, just easy back. And afterwards, I don't know, we just pack up and we just head back across the water on the kayak and head home after, you see me? So, yeah. Alright guys, I don't know, time to clean up, pack everything, clean up any garbage we left behind. You see me guys? So I get everything sorted out now and then you know we're going to head back across the water over to mainland and we're going to head home. You see me guys? It has been a fun evening, night and day, you see me? Yeah man, camping was really nice. But as I said, we'll bring more people next time, make it more exciting. You see me? But other from that, it was really good, you see me? So we'll pack up the stuff from now and head home, you see me guys? So we go get that done so we can make a move. Guys, so you don't know, we're gonna leave now people, so we pack up everything. Yeah man, so now we're gonna push out in the water now, we're gonna just head across. You see me guys, so when we reach over there we close off the video. Alright, welcome back people. You don't know, reach over for mainland guys, it was a challenge. The kayak took in so much water. God know, my power bank wet up and close them wet up back, you see me? So we just there go and make some of them dry. Yeah, so we're going to change now and head home still because we're there for a while and them kind of dry, you see me? So we're going to head home now people, you see me? It was a fun day, very adventurous I must say, because of all the water and stuff, you see me? But yeah, we finished the way I don't know, so we are going to put on our clothes now, we are going to try and head home, you see me? So hope you all enjoyed that video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, you see me? And share the video people, you see me? And I don't know, so we'll do our next camping again, but until next time guys, catch you in my next upload. So peace out for now.